everyone, welcome to Ecoholics. So this is a new series where we would be doing the previous year questions from IES Journal Economics 1. Okay, so today in this video I'm going to do a question from paper 2019. So the question reads that an individual has the utility function u equals to xy and the budget equation is 10x plus 10y equals to 1000. Find the maximum utility that she can attain. So whenever we have to maximize or minimize any function, we differentiate those functions. But here we have a constraint also. We have this constraint also. So we have to maximize our utility, this utility, with respect to this constraint. So I am going to use the Lagrange method with which I would be maximizing my utility function. So let's just see the solution. So this is the information given to us by our question where utility is equal to x into y and the budget constraint is 10x plus 10y equals to 1000. So from this budget constraint, what I can read of is that this is the price of my good x and this is the price of my good y and this is my income. So how will I maximize this thing? So I will first set up a Lagrange multiplier. So and a Lagrange method I will use. So Lagrange is like this. You put the function which you want to maximize xy plus this Lagrange multiplier and in the bracket you would write the budget constraint. So 1000 minus 10x minus 10y. Now, I will first differentiate this Lagrange with respect to x. So, I will get derivative of this thing with respect to x. I will get from here, I am going to get y plus this lambda. Then, if I will differentiate this thing with respect to your x, I will get minus 10. That's the coefficient of x. So, let us put it equal to 0. So I will get 10 lambda equals to y. This is the first condition I have got out of this. So let us mark it. If I differentiate this same function, this same Lagrange with respect to y, I will get another condition. So doing it with respect to y, I get x plus lambda minus 10 equals to 0. So from here, I get 10 lambda equals to x. So this is another condition. So I will again have to differentiate it with respect to the Lagrange multiplier, which is this lambda. So if I do that, I get 1000 minus 10x minus 10y equals to 0. So if you can observe your equation 1 and your equation 2, so this is the third condition. If you can observe your equation 1 and equation 2, you can observe that y will be equal to x. Because here y is equal to 10 lambda equals to 1. And here x is equal to 10 lambda. So if I equate both the equations, I will get what? I will get x equals to y. So I can just put that condition from equation 1 and 2. I can just put that condition back into the here. So I will get 1000 minus 10x minus 10x. So I have replaced y with x. So equals to 0. Upon solving it, I get 1000 equals to 20x. So it means x is going to be equal to 50. So that's the value of x I have got. So if I know that x is equal to y. So it means y will also be equal to 50. So I have got the value of x and y. So these x and y values which I have got, these are those values which will maximize my utility function. So whenever we find the first derivative, we differentiate this function with whatever we get, like the values for x and y we get, these values are going to maximize my function. So it means for my utility function, the value of x and y which will maximize my utility is 50 and 50 of both. So what will be my maximum utility? I will put these values of x and y back to my utility function. So let's just do that here. So utility is equal to 50 into 50. So I get 2500. So my maximum utility which I can achieve with these conditions, with these constraints, that is equal to 2500. So this is the answer to first part. So we have one more part of this question which reads that if the price of good X decreases to 5. So now before this the price of X was 10, right? So now the price of X is decreasing to 5. So find the compensating variation in income in order to maintain her level of satisfaction in part A. So what does this part demands us? So it says that if the price falls from 10 to 5, correct? So of course, if I am a consumer, if the price of some good I am consuming, if it will fall, then the real income of mine will increase, because now whatever is left with me, because I now have to buy X at lower prices, so whatever part of income is left with me, I can utilize that part of income otherwhere. I can buy more goods, I can buy the other good Y also, so I can do anything, whatever I want. So I want that much level of income which would keep my utility constant. So whenever we want to keep our utility constant, we will be consuming the same bundle of goods. That is, we were consuming X 50 units and Y also 50 units. So I want to consume that much amount of goods so that my utility will remain constant. But I want to find that variation in income, that change in income which I need so that I can maintain that level of utility. So let's just see the solution. So our X was also 50 and our Y was also 50 and our utility was coming out to be 2500. Utility which was equal to XY, it was coming out to be 2500. So I want to maintain this level of utility. So I want to know that level of change in income which would give me this utility. So we denote the new income, so with M dash. So I want to consume the same. I want to consume the same level of good X to maintain utility. But now the prices have fallen to 5 per unit and not 10 per unit. So 50 into 5, that's the expenditure I will make on good X, plus 50 units of good Y and the price of good Y, that is 10. So I get 250 plus 500 and I get my income 750. So now instead of 1000 rupees, I need 750 rupees to maintain the level of utility at 2500 to consume 50 units of good X, 50 units of good Y. So what is the change in the income which will come? So earlier my income was 1000 rupees. In the budget constraint, it was 1000 rupees. Now I want my income 750 rupees. So what is the compensating variation? How much change I want? The answer is 250 rupees. Answer is 250 rupees. That there will be a reduction of 250 rupees in my income if I want my utility to remain at the same level. So this is the solution to this question. If you want more solutions, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you everyone.